It's me, Sarah, from Snacks and Crafts. It's been forever since I made a video, but since I'm in the middle of making mac and cheese, figure I'd film it and then post it, because why not? So I found a recipe for crock pot mac and cheese. There's my crock pot, and we're gonna make that today. So currently I am boiling 2 cups of uncooked, well, I'm boiling 2 cups of pasta. I got a mix of elbows and some shells. I measured out 2 cups of elbows, and then there's like a little bit of shells left from that wouldn't fit in my pasta container. So I just put those in there, so it's probably like 1/4 of a cup of the dry shells. Anyway, I'm boiling that for 6 minutes till it's al dente, because you don't want to cook it all the way if we're about to put it in a crock pot. I don't remember where I got this recipe because it's on my phone and I'm recording this on my phone, but I'll link it in the description area. I've also got 4 cups of cheese set aside. This is 2 cups of sharp cheddar, about 2.5 cups of sharp cheddar, a cup or so of Colby Jack, and then the rest of it's mozzarella, but it is just 4 cups of assorted cheeses. They are shredded. The recipe also calls for 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayo. She said it was weird, but to trust her that the recipe would be good. So I measured 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayo. The recipe also called for cream of chicken, so I have that. Mustard powder. I didn't have mustard powder, so I just put some mustard on the top. And then onion powder and black pepper. So this is almost done. I know you're probably not supposed to stir the pasta, but for some reason it likes to stick to the bottom of my pot. We're just gonna stop this. I'm gonna drain it, and then we'll get to the crock pot section. I'll be right back. Okay. The steam was like all up on my glasses, and I think there's still a little fog. But anyway, I've strained my 2 cups of pasta. That's gonna go straight into the crock pot. And let me test one. So it's supposed to be al dente. It is. So hopefully it won't be mushy. We don't want mushy pasta. And this just says to just add all the ingredients. I'm gonna add the wet ingredients first. So that's all my mayonnaise. My sour cream's like stuck. Yeah, it's 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup mayo, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard powder, which I'm substituting for just yellow mustard. 1 can of cream of chicken. Yeah. Okay. These seasonings, so black pepper, onion powder, and that would be our dry mustard if we had any, and then our cheeses. So we're just gonna mix all that up. It sounds gross. This better taste good. I'm gonna be sad if it doesn't. That's a lot of cheese. It smells good while I'm mixing all the spices and stuff. Oh, it's like a full crock pot. Okay, then you're gonna set this. Oop. Oh, that was gonna be bad. Set it on high. You're gonna cook it for a total, what, 2.5 hours? I think. Stir after 1 hour, really quickly. And then stir after hour number 2, really quickly. And then she says, it should be good. I hope she's right. The lady that made this recipe. Come on. That clip sucks. Okay. On high, timer. Oh, wait, no. 60 minutes. we go. All right, so while that's going, I'm gonna clean up this mess and then watch some TV. But we'll get back whenever it's done and do a taste test. Yay. Hey guys, I'm back. I went to the store, but this has been cooking for an hour and a half. Yeah. And I think it's done. I don't know. The noodles are really good. All the cheese is melted. And it smells so good. It smells so good. Cheese! Look at that beautiful mac and cheese. It's got like a gooey noise. So, I already tried it. It already tastes so good. This is what we have. You're hanging out in my spice cabinet, so that's why you're like at a different angle. It's so good. Really curious about the cheese ratio, if that really affects the taste. You can definitely taste the onion powder. I think I'd like to add a little bit less. Maybe half onion, half garlic. I'd like to add more black pepper. You can see the black pepper. The lighting's bad. You can see it, but you can really taste it. It's good. I got a little piece of chicken from the chicken soup. I'm gonna keep this on warm just to let the flavors meld a little more. But man, this is good. I will make this again. Look how cheesy it is. It's so tasty. I'm gonna take another helping. It says that serves 4. It's like a lot of calories. I don't care anymore. That's really good. Hopefully when I edit this video together, it's a good video. But thank you so much for watching, and bye.